How to log into the Prime Video. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Amazon Prime Video account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser on your PC or your phone, or if you are using the app, that's fine as well. You can directly log in from the app. Now, once you get to your browser, you just want to search for Prime Video Login and hit enter. And now this link will pop up on the first result, which is Amazon.com. And then it will show you the Prime Video's URL. Go ahead and open this one up. And once you get to this page, if you already have an account, you can directly sign in from here, or if you're new, you can start for a free trial. Now, if you tap on the account section on the top right corner, you'll have an option to sign in. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you do that, you'll first have to provide your email address. So I'm just going to enter mine right here. And once you enter your email address, hit continue. And now it will ask you for your password. So if you remember your Amazon's password, you can just enter it right here and it will directly log in. But if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on forgot password like this, and it will take you to another page where you have an option to send an email. I'm just going to enter mine right here. And now once you enter your email address and your password, you should be able to log in right here. So if I tap on it, as you can see here, now I have successfully logged in on my profile. Now you can enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.